This is SSarcococca, hookeriana, digyna. It's got an award of garden merit. It is in shade. If I just show you, there's the fence that was renewed last year, which is there. Look, there's the Sarcococca. So it's pretty deep shade because the sun comes up and around there. So when it's high in the sky, it does get sun, but not at this time of year. But it's an evergreen. It's slow growing, and the perfume is phenomenal. It's tiny. It's not that significant, but it's just beautiful to look at. But the perfume is superb. So not only is it an evergreen, it copes with deep shade, I would say. It likes where it is because it's got water retention right by this end of the wall because of the slope. So, you know, we're talking about right plant, right place again. So yeah, Sarcococcas are amazing, and it's quite old, this one, and my records upstairs probably say 2011 or 12, and obviously I've been fairly brutal with it in terms of, I'll take that in to the study, that's been broken off, and you can see I've got it in a cage, a swirly cage, just so it stays upright, and it's obviously come up because of this needing the sun. But these are such great plants, very underestimated. So that's your Sarcococca if you see them, and this one obviously has got that lovely red tint there, look. There you are anyway, a perfect evergreen for what I would say is a small garden. Maybe not this one as a small garden, but you know what I mean. Beautiful.